Tired of your browser slowing you down with bloat and tracking? Learn how to install Firefox in under 2 minutes. First, we'll search for Firefox, then download the installer, run it, and handle any security prompts. Let's go.
Start by opening your browser and searching for Firefox on Google. Then click on the first result, which should be Get Firefox for Desktop and Mobile from Firefox.com. Now, on the Firefox homepage, click the button that says Find Your Way Back to a Better Internet. Next, click the big Download Firefox button to start downloading the installer. Once the download finishes, you'll see a prompt to follow the steps to get Firefox set up. Open the Firefox installer.exe file from your Downloads folder. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open Firefox to start browsing. If you see a prompt saying the app isn't Microsoft verified, just click Install Anyway or adjust your app recommendation settings. That's it. Enjoy Firefox. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.